today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print a file from Google Docs or save it as a PDF. Let's get started by opening up your Google Docs document. Just navigate to your document and click on it to bring it up on your screen. Once your document is open, you'll notice a printer icon at the top of the window. Clicking this icon is one way to begin the printing process. Alternatively, if you're a fan of keyboard shortcuts and want a quicker way, you can press Ctrl+P if you're using a Windows computer or Command+P on a Mac. This step will bring up the print dialog box. In this dialog box, you will see an option to select the printer you wish to use. Make sure to choose the correct printer, especially if you're in a shared environment with multiple printers, such as in an office. Once you're certain about your selection, simply click Print. This will send your document to the selected printer, and in a few moments, you should have your printout ready. Now, if your goal is to save your document as a PDF instead of printing it, maybe because you want to share it on platforms like WhatsApp or Facebook, or perhaps you want to print it later from another computer without internet access, here's how you can do that. In the Print dialog box, locate the Destination section. By default, this might be set to your printer, but you can change it. Click on the option and select Save as PDF from the drop-down menu. This simple step changes the format in which your file will be saved. Once you've done that, click on the Save button. A window will then pop up, prompting you to choose a location on your computer where you wish to save the PDF version of your document. Navigate to the desired folder, perhaps your Documents or Desktop folder, and hit Save again. Congratulations! You've just created a PDF version of your Google Docs document. This PDF is now ready for you to store on a USB stick, share online, or use however you see fit. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you found this guide helpful and saved you some time or hassle, please consider giving it a thumbs up. We would love to hear your thoughts or any questions you might have in the comments section below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon. This way, you'll be notified about all our future Google Docs tips and tutorials, helping you streamline your document tasks even more.